Think your office is clean? Like really clean? At System 4, we've helped local businesses like yours stay clean and healthy for over 20 years. Sometimes the signs are hiding in plain sight, and they're easy to miss when you're busy running a business. So how do you know when it's time for a deep clean? Carpet stains that won't go away? Weird smells that keep coming back? Dust bunnies collecting in the corners? Air vents looking pretty neglected? This stuff builds up fast, and it's not just gross. It can affect your team's health and productivity. Are people sneezing more? Break rooms starting to smell like mystery leftovers? Even clean offices can have hidden dirt that regular cleaning can't keep up with. Dingy furniture, fingerprint-covered glass, cloudy windows ring a bell? If you're nodding, it might be time to bring in the pros for a real deep clean. We're here to help you tackle the tough stuff and bring your workspace back to life. Serving Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Western Massachusetts, System 4 is your go-to for professional deep cleaning and janitorial services.